In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make a free profile picture using Canva's AI tools. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. It only takes a minute. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're in, click on Create a Design at the top left. Search for Profile Picture and select the one you want. Now for the fun part. On the left menu, scroll down and select Magic Media. Type in a description of the profile picture you want. For example, I am creating a profile picture for my channel. Click Generate and let Canva's AI create your image. If you do not like any of the options, you can enter a new prompt or hit the Regenerate button. Once you find a picture you like, click on it. Then resize the picture to fill up the square. Add filters, adjust brightness, or use the background remover if you want a transparent background. You can also add text, stickers, or frames to make it unique. When you're happy with your design, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG for the best quality, and you're all set.